Hello friends, welcome to this Git tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to push or commit your code into the repository. So there is a two scenario. First scenario, you have already repository, you have to pull the code from repository, change in files and folders and again commit there. The second thing, you have already files and folder and in your machine and you have to commit in new empty repository directly. Okay, so let's start. I will show you here. First, for doing this, suppose um, we have already repository, so we have a link. Okay, so we will use this command git clone, after that checkout and git pull. After that we will make changes and git add, commit and push. So before that I will show you one more thing. This is very helpful for you. Here we can catch our credentials into the git, so it will do what it will do to store your password also. So for Mac use this command here, and for Windows and Linux also the command is there. So you can go through here and store your password, because the git command, when you use git clone or git push or git pull or git merge, so it will ask the username and password every time. So you can store your password, so it will help you to just commit the code very quickly. Okay, so you can go through the documentations to set up the password. Okay, the second thing, so for the first thing, we need a repo. So I have already a repo, is named demo. Here are the two files. Okay, so I will clone it and I will work and commit it here again. Okay, so I think this folder is already exists, so I will remove it from here. It's not required because the name is same, demo and demo. Okay, so move to bin. So now open terminal. So here is my terminal. Remove it. So git clone and pass this http URLs. This one, copy and paste it here. Okay, 1 minute. First you should go to your designations. Where I am in the user / Amit Kumar Sinha. So I am just to go to desktop first. Okay, and now git clone, enter. So now it's going to clone. In your system the terminal may ask the username and password. Okay, so always use token as a password. So see here, it's come, it's clone done. Open, see here the demo is coming. Now I am going to open in terminal, in editor. So I have Visual Studio Code. You can see here I got these two files. Okay, readme and this one, html.txt. If I see here this file, what is here? See, only the tag is here, no content is here. So I open this editor and see the same thing. So now I am going to add here something, h1 and header 1. Okay, and okay, save it. And now my job is to commit this modified files. Okay, so how we can do it from editor itself, but I will show you how to do it with terminal. Okay, so come to the terminal and go to the folder. My folder name is what? Demo. So cd demo and type here git status. See, you will get one modified files. Okay, so now here let me large first. Okay, so now use the command whatever I mentioned. What command I mentioned here? I mentioned the git clone is done, git checkout. So this repository I didn't use this git command and git pull. Why? Because I have a main branch only. See here, I have only one main branch. View all branches. See, only main branch. If you have a multiple branch, suppose main, development, or staging or something else, so after cloning you should check out to that branch and then use git pull to get the latest code, because here only one branch and I'm cloning that one, so all the latest files and folders automatically come to my machine. But if you have a multiple branch and you need any particular branch code, so after git clone you just use the git checkout that particular branch name and use the git pull command to get the latest code. Okay, so actually I skipped these two steps, but okay, I made changes something. Now use these three command: git add, git commit, and git push. Okay, so I open my terminal, so I use git add and I am entering here dot is for all files and folder, all changes. Okay, if you have only one, you will give the name, okay, particular file name it will take. After that git commit, pass here changes in test html file, done. See here one file changed, so now it is in staging state. Okay, in previous video I told you the GitHub work with the three state: local, staging, and the repository stage. So here now I am going to use git push. Here your terminal again ask for the username and password if you don't store in the cache. Okay, so it's done. I am going to open this, come to the code. See, changes in test file just 33 seconds ago. If I open it, see whatever I changes, it's coming here. Okay, so this is the first way to clone the repository, work on that and commit again. Okay, if you have multiple branch, so go to that branch, means just go after cloning, check out on that branch, git pull changes and again commit there. Okay, so the first thing is done. This one, the first case. The second case, suppose we have already files, already existing files and folders. So I have let me check first. Okay, so I'm going to close it, open finder. Okay, so this my folder file, this is already there. I am going to open this in editor. Okay, so I already created this files and folder for this demo purpose only. So I have a 3 files here and 2 folders. One is app and one is PHP files. Okay, but this is not connected with any GitHub. How we can know? Come here and cd.cd my folder files, enter, and now if you use your git status, it will show you the error. See, fatal, no git repository or any of the parent directory.git, means this files and folder is not added any GitHub or any repository URLs. Okay, so we have to create one empty repository first. Okay, so come to here. In my case, okay, so no repository, so click here new and pass here test repo. Okay, so it is available, test repo. I will make it private and see here, this is the important: add readme file, add ignore file, choose license. I will not choose anyone, because if we choose anyone, it will add files in repositories and that repository will not empty. We have to create an empty repository, right? Create repository. See, this is repository is created and this is empty. Once the repository is empty, you will get this kind of message. Okay, so we will use these 3 commands, okay, to push an existing repository from the command line. So I have already this thing. So what I will do, first command I will use it here. I also mention here, don't worry, in this, where it is here. First this git init, and then we git add, git commit, git remove. Here one more command, git branch -m main. It was not previously, but now it is there, because firstly it was a first it was a master branch, but now it's the main branch. Okay, so this command we will run it. So open terminal, git add, first git init. Okay, so initialize the empty git repository. Now git add all. After that git commit -m for message ini initial commit, and now git the same branch. You can also see the code is written here, git remote add, and this is the URL we need. Okay, this HTTPS. So I am going to copy it, come to terminal and just paste it here, enter. After that this git branch, I am just going to copy it, paste it here, enter, and last this here -u is important. Okay, if you miss -u, it will not commit. Okay, and this is only for the first time, not every time. Okay, I will show you. So here see, the new branch main is created, and then the code is committed. So now come to here and refresh this. See, my files and folders are here. Now in the second time, suppose I open that one files, and suppose in PHP index file I written here something, print r changes done. Okay, save it, and now come to terminal, git status. You will see one modified files we got. So for committing these changes, just use git add, git commit changes, git push. That much. It will commit your code into the repository. Okay, see, done. For verify, come here, go to the PHP files index. We added these things, changes done, so it's come here. Okay, so this is all about how to commit our code into the repository. If the repository are already created, then we can clone it from there and changes in the files and folder and commit it again. If we have already files and folders and there is no repository, so we will create one empty repository and add the URLs, and first init and then add and then commit it, and after that we can change it and commit like that. Okay, so this is all about for this tutorial. In the next video I will come with some other command like branch, create branch and merge. So stay tuned, subscribe our channel. Thank you.